Guys, check this out. AliExpress now offers the best deals of the year up to 90% off. For interested, just check the link in the description ID. Grab this offer now with big coupon discount with hundreds of items that you can choose for. Just click here, collect the avail coupon that you can use for online shopping and AliExpress. They also have here um, another offer, the Shake Now challenge. The $1, just click the Shake Now button. All you have to do, guys, just click that and shake. When you shake, you can win a reward that you can use to go shopping. You have three chances there, so it's more fun while going online shopping. Okay, let's try. Let's try to pick some items there. So how much we can save? Let's find this one. Next one. It cost $4.09. You can save as much as $3.10. You can build a necklace for only 99 cents. By the way, guys, before you place your order, make sure to check the coupon available as I told you a while ago to save more. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just go shop at AliExpress with more bonuses and coupons available. This promo is until November 19 only, so hurry up, shop and save more. So many items there that you can choose. So you can save as much as big as you can.